Want to know how to make $500 daily on TikTok without showing your face? TikTok, a platform that started as a mere entertainment hub, has evolved into a goldmine for content creators to earn money. And guess what? You don't need to show your face to do it. Yes, you heard it right. Today we're going to unveil the top 10 TikTok account ideas that let you rake in the cash while maintaining your anonymity. From sharing your creativity with the world to turning your everyday activities into a source of income, these ideas are not just about making money, but also about inspiring and motivating you to harness the power of this platform. So, whether you're a seasoned TikToker or a newbie looking for a fresh start, we've got you covered. Stay tuned to discover how to turn invisible into incredible. Idea number 1, voiceover challenges. Ever heard of them? They're this amazing trend where creators use their voice alone to craft engaging content. Picture this: you're playing a character, narrating a story, or even doing a dramatic reading of a popular song or a scene from your favorite movie, all without showing your face. It's all about the power of your voice and the story you're telling. For instance, there's the Guess the Movie challenge, where creators voice over famous lines from popular films, and viewers have to guess which movie it's from. Or the Mimic the Accent challenge, where creators try their best to mimic different accents from around the world. It's fun, it's entertaining, and best of all, it lets you unleash your creativity in a whole new way. You can also tailor these challenges to your specific interests or skills. Are you a history buff? Try narrating famous speeches or events. Love comic books? Do a dramatic reading of a scene from your favorite graphic novel. The possibilities are endless. Voiceover challenges, a fun and creative way to engage with your audience. Moving on to the second idea, animation and art. Now this is an exciting one. The world of animation and art is vast, giving you an almost infinite canvas to paint your ideas and imagination. You don't need to show your face, just let your work speak for itself. There are countless ways to engage with your audience through this medium. You can create step-by-step drawing tutorials, or perhaps speed paint videos that mesmerize viewers as a blank canvas transforms into a beautiful piece of art. You can even delve into digital art or animation, creating unique characters and worlds that captivate and inspire. Take the example of Art Hub for Kids on TikTok, a successful account that posts art tutorials for children. They've amassed over 1 million followers, simply by sharing easy-to-follow, engaging art instructions. Or consider Morgana Velton, a digital artist who enchants viewers with her process of creating stunning digital portraits. She's garnered over 2 million followers, all without showing her face. Animation and art, a canvas to showcase your creativity. Third idea, pet videos. Who doesn't love them? They're like a universal language, effortlessly crossing cultural and language barriers. Whether it's a playful kitten chasing a laser pointer or a loyal dog showing off its latest trick, pet videos have a charm that's hard to resist. You don't need to be a professional filmmaker to capture these endearing moments. All you need is a camera and your adorable pet. Keep your videos simple and authentic. Let your pet's personality shine through. Don't worry about showing your face or speaking. The focus here is on your pet. Consider creating a unique theme or a recurring series. Maybe it's tales of a mischievous cat or adventures of a balloon-chasing dog. This can help build anticipation and create a loyal following. To make your videos more engaging, you can use a voice-changing app like Magic McFunny to add humorous commentary, or create a character voice for your pet. This adds an element of surprise and fun to your videos. Remember, consistency is key. Regularly posting videos can help you build an audience and potentially monetize your account. Pet videos, unleashing a world of cuteness and fun. Fourth idea, cooking and food. Hungry for success? The world of TikTok is brimming with food enthusiasts, always on the lookout for new recipes, cooking techniques, and culinary inspirations. But you don't need to be a celebrity chef or even show your face to whip up a storm on this platform. Start by focusing on the food itself. Capture the vibrant colors, the sizzle and steam, the transformation of raw ingredients into a mouth-watering dish. You can share quick meal prep ideas, exotic recipes, or even cooking hacks. Use a voiceover to guide your viewers through the process. It's like having a friendly chat in the kitchen, except you're sharing it with millions of potential viewers. You can even add a dash of humor or a sprinkle of storytelling to make your content more engaging. Harness the power of hashtags and trends to reach a wider audience. Maybe it's a viral food challenge or a trending ingredient. You can ride the wave and get your content seen. Remember, consistency is key. Keep feeding your audience with regular content, and they'll keep coming back for more. So, grab your apron, fire up that stove, and let your culinary creations shine on TikTok. Cooking and food, a recipe for success on TikTok. Fifth idea, DIY crafts. Ready to craft your way to success? DIY crafts have a special appeal on TikTok. They're like little nuggets of creativity, bringing joy and inspiration to viewers in just a few seconds. From quick home decor projects to unique handmade gifts, these mini tutorials are all about making something beautiful from the ordinary. The best part? You don't even need to show your face. Just focus on your hands, the materials, and the process. Use a top-down camera angle to capture the magic as it unfolds. Make sure to keep your steps simple and your instructions clear. You can also add text overlays for extra clarity. Remember, TikTok loves a good transformation. So whether you're turning a simple piece of wood into a stunning shelf, or an old t-shirt into a trendy tote bag, make sure to highlight the before and after. And there you have it. DIY crafts, handcrafting your success story on TikTok. Sixth idea, product reviews. Ready to share your opinion? We all know how influential reviews can be, right? Now imagine packaging those reviews into snappy, engaging TikTok videos, all without showing your face. You can focus on products that you're passionate about, be it makeup, tech gadgets, books, or even snacks. The key is to keep your reviews honest, detailed, and relatable. Use your voice to express excitement, disappointment, or surprise. Make the audience feel what you feel about the product. You can also use sound effects and music to enhance the mood. A suspenseful sound effect as you reveal your rating perhaps, or a cheerful tune as you gush about your favorite features. And don't forget to include useful information like where to buy the product or how much it costs. This can make your content not just entertaining but also informative. Remember, authenticity is key. Your unique perspective is what will draw viewers in and keep them coming back for more. Product reviews, your honest opinion could be your ticket to success. Seventh idea, educational content. Ready to teach your way to the top? The thirst for knowledge is universal, and TikTok is no exception. Whether it's bite-sized history lessons, science experiments, language learning, or even productivity hacks, educational content is in high demand. So, how do you create such content without showing your face? The answer is simple. Make knowledge the star of the show. Use text overlays or voiceovers to convey your message. You could even use an AI voice generator for a unique twist. Consider using tools like Magic Mic Funny, which offers a real-time voice changer and an AI text-to-speech voice generator. Not only can you experiment with different voices and accents, but you can also manage video and image watermarks, generate music, and even remove backgrounds. Remember, the key to success is delivering valuable, clear, and engaging content. Keep it concise, make it interesting, and don't forget to add a dash of humor if it fits your style. Educational content, teaching your way to success. Eighth idea, fitness and health tips. Ready to flex your success muscles? Fitness and health content is all the rage on TikTok, with millions hooked on quick, accessible tips to better their lives. And guess what? You don't need to show your face to jump on this trend. How about sharing unique, effective workouts with fun, upbeat voiceovers? Or, you could animate simple yet powerful health tips. Ever thought of creating a voiceover for your own healthy meal prep? The possibilities are endless. And let's not forget about the power of sound effects. From the sound of sizzling veggies to the thump of a yoga mat, these can add a whole new layer to your content. But remember, credibility is key. Ensure your tips are backed by reliable sources. That way, you'll not only gain followers, but also their trust. Fitness and health tips, a healthy way to success. Ninth idea, travel and adventure. Ready to explore your success journey? Great! Let's dive into the world of wanderlust. Travel and adventure content is a goldmine on TikTok, attracting a large audience who are eager to explore the world from the comfort of their screens. You might wonder, how do I create this content without showing my face? Well, the secret lies in the art of storytelling. Capture the essence of the places you visit. The bustling streets, serene landscapes, local cuisines, cultural nuances. Let these elements be the stars of your content. Narrate your experiences, share interesting facts, or create suspenseful travel stories. Remember, it's not about you, it's about the journey. Use your voice to paint a vivid picture, letting your audience feel like they're right there with you, exploring every nook and cranny of a new city or hiking up a challenging trail. With travel and adventure content, you're not just a content creator, but a virtual tour guide, a storyteller, bringing the world to your audience. So pack your bags or your imagination and start this exciting journey. Travel and adventure. Your journey to success starts here. 10th and final idea, life hacks. Ready to hack your way to success? Life hacks are like the secret cheat codes of everyday life, and they've taken social media by storm. It's all about finding clever, out-of-the-box solutions to common problems and sharing them with the world. Now you might be wondering, how can I create life hack content without showing my face? Well, the beauty of life hacks is that they're all about the hack itself, not the person behind it. You can easily film your hands demonstrating the hack, or use text overlays and voiceovers to guide your viewers through the process. Think about the kind of hacks that would appeal to your audience. Are they into beauty and fashion? Share some wardrobe organization hacks. Do they love cooking? Show them how to peel a garlic in seconds. The possibilities are endless. And remember, authenticity is key. Your hacks should be practical, easy to follow, and genuinely useful. If you can save someone time, money, or just make their life a little bit easier, you're on your way to building a loyal and engaged following. Life hacks, your shortcut to success on TikTok. So there you have it, the top 10 TikTok account ideas without showing your face. We've journeyed through the exciting realm of voiceover challenges where your voice, and not your appearance, takes the center stage. We've dived into the colorful world of animation and art, where creativity and imagination reign supreme. We've looked at the irresistible charm of pet videos, a genre that never fails to tug at heartstrings. We've savored the delicious prospects of cooking and food content, where taste and presentation win the day. We've explored the rewarding sphere of DIY crafts, a haven for hands-on creators and problem solvers. We've weighed the potential of product reviews, a niche that combines consumer insight with marketing savvy. We've delved into the enlightening domain of educational content, where knowledge and curiosity meet. We've embraced the vibrant sector of fitness and health tips, a field that promotes well-being and vitality. We've ventured into the exhilarating arena of travel and adventure, a genre that promises discovery and thrill. And last but not least, we've examined the ingenious realm of life hacks, where practicality and innovation merge. Each of these avenues holds the potential for you to make your mark on TikTok, without ever having to show your face. More importantly, they hold the potential for you to earn up to $500 daily. That's right, each day brings with it the opportunity for you to turn your passion into profit, your ideas into income. But none of this can happen until you take that first step. So don't wait another minute. Start your own faceless TikTok account today and watch your success story unfold. Remember, the world of TikTok is vast and varied, and there's a place for everyone. So find your niche, create your content, and let your voice be heard. Your TikTok journey starts now. Don't wait another minute. Start your own faceless TikTok account today and watch your success story unfold.